kind of pulled this off on the fly. Like, I was cleaning out my house with my mom and had a lot of leftover items, and she was like, "Hey, you can sell it if you want. Keep the change." And like the same week that we had been doing all like the clean out stuff was the same week that the George Floyd murder happened. Like those videos are like horrifying.
I wish I had something to hang this up on. Here, I'm gonna put this.
Social media timelines like blew up with everything. I was like, you know what? All of these people sending like donation links and posting all this stuff on my timeline, like I should do something too. And so I was like, I can like donate the money, right? I was talking to a friend about the idea and she was like, I have some stuff too. And so I was like, all right, let's make this big. I made the post on Instagram on Tuesday and like it kind of blew up. Of course, I see myself continuing to help the movement. I don't know if I'll do something like this again because this was a lot of work, like in like a really short period of time. But yeah, like I'm definitely gonna keep going to protests, and I'm definitely gonna keep sharing information, and I'm definitely gonna keep donating of my own money. He's almost 5 actually. An aspect of the volunteer experience that I enjoyed was like meeting people, seeing my friends, having us all come together. There's a lot of people that I wouldn't have met if not like for doing this, like, and just like, you know, even though it's hard work, like we've been hanging out.
I would do so much more.
How would I define equality? I don't think I have a definition. If we're talking about like racism, like this country has so many deep-rooted like systematic problems. I don't know how we'll be reaching equality or like what that even looks like. I just don't want people to be dying on the streets. That's it, for like the color of their skin, you know, that's it. My advice for a better future, I think it's like educating people. I feel like social media like let a bunch of like young people like me know about the movement in a way that we would have never known before. So, and we got educated super quick because of it. And there's a lot of older people that didn't, but because of that, like we were super fast to act. So, education, I guess.